Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial. This is a inspired makeup tutorial. I wanted it to have more of a feel, so kind of Cleopatra, kind of Egyptian, using very thematic colors, things that you think of with the Egyptian look. So we're going to be pulling out some fun colors, and if you're interested in how I achieve this makeup look, I hope you decide to stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this tutorial. I really do hope you enjoy it. A full list of products will be listed down below, as well as on my Instagram. There I post all of my makeup looks with a photo of the makeup look along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.